Grok AI just killed its free video generation tool, and it now costs $30 every month to use it. If you're frustrated with these paid subscriptions, I have great news because today I am showing you 2 incredible free alternatives that you can start using right now today. First, open your browser and search for Flow to find the official Google Flow website where amazing AI videos are created. Once you reach the pricing page, you will see the Flow Pro plan is actually completely free for your first month of high-quality video generation tasks right now. To unlock this, simply create a new account and add your card details to start the trial period immediately without initial cost. Just remember to set a calendar reminder to cancel the subscription right before the 30 days end, so you never ever have to pay a single penny today. If you prefer not to use a credit card at all, then Arena AI is the perfect solution for your creative projects. Head over to the website and sign up with your email to access their powerful battle mode, which generates 2 unique videos for every single prompt you enter now. Before we check the final results, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now for Saas Best Pro. We bring you the latest AI tools and secret tips every week, so you can stay ahead of the curve in this fast-changing tech world today, with our expert help. Now, just wait a few minutes for the AI models to finish, and you can download the best version for free. It is truly that simple to keep creating professional content without a Grok AI subscription. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one very soon.